Anyway, my name is Brian Bell. I live in San Antonio. Um, I have to say that coming to this event actually was strange for me because it's almost like my first event that I went to with Robert Shimon. It seems like something's lining me up for something great. With Robert, it seems like it's going to be residential, but with Cherif, it's going to bring me to where I wanted to be in the long run to begin with anyway. So I'm jumping ahead of my game plan. Um, I have to say that I'm speaking about what my weekend was like, but really I think that we need to give him a hand for the great weekend that he gave us. So real quick, I'm going to clap Cherif. Thank you, Cherif. I'm looking forward to working with him some more. And there's just so much information that we got this weekend that I'm sure we all agree is a lot to take in, but it was worth it and worth the time coming out. So I don't know what else to say. I could keep going, I guess, but I'm going to pass the mic. Thank you.